Now that you're on your Google Classroom homepage, let's take a look at how it's organized and how you can organize the homepage itself. Now, you can reorder the classes. All you need to do is click and you can drag, so you can put them in whichever order you want. So that's one thing. Now, let's take a look and go and look at some of the teachers. Now, if you notice, I had about 4 or 5 teachers who allowed me to join their classes, so we can see some of the ways that Google's laid out. So let's take a look at Mrs. Campbell's class. And now Google always has, if you notice across the top, Google Classroom, there are 3 different things here. The people link shows you any other student and teacher that's in there. I'm not going to click on it just so people don't see students' names. Our stream, a stream is used for announcements from teachers. Some teachers use this to post their homework each week for the students. Some people use it, like Mrs. Campbell does here, to talk about important things coming up. Some people will post their materials to the stream. The other thing, and the place where the students will spend most of their time is this classwork tab. So generally, what I tell the students and what I tell the teachers is that anything you're going to do, you're expected to interact with on Google Classroom, is right here on this classwork tab. So again, 3 things. You have your stream, announcements, people, get to see who's there, classwork, anything that you have to do to interact with. Now notice, Mrs. Campbell has some topics, so you can narrow it down and look at only specific topics. She has hers done by, it looks like units of study. Let's take a look at Mr. Duraflo here, his science class. If you look at his is just a little bit different. It has assessments, it has questions of the day, daily slides. So you can go through and you can just look at the way that each teacher organizes their Google slide or Google Classroom. All right, last one here to look at is Mr. Cresswell. Mr. Cresswell has a what are we doing now, classroom resources, and then something for the Wildcat Quest. So taking a minute to familiarize yourself with each of the classrooms will help you a long time in the long run.